Hey y'all, that's going to be my little rant, my pet peeve. I enjoy going to Green Bay Wacky's channel, goofing off, shooting the ball. Same with Lunatic Dad. And I think I make it perfectly clear. I'm not into playing the sub for sub game, begging for hugs, and all that stuff. I'm there just for fun. Now, I'm alright if y'all want to go there and you want to do the sub for sub game, but I make it perfectly clear. I don't sub people. If you don't have content that I like, that I enjoy, I'm going to sub you. I'm not going to join up in the chain letter, mentality of it all. And it gets annoying when people come to my channel after I told them, please unsub me, blah, 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 whatever. And then they come in and leave a comment on my channel saying, we supported you, please come back and just visit our channel and support us. I'm sorry, folks, but you know what? I look at YouTube as like TV. I don't expect Andy Griffith or the Waltons or whoever to subscribe to my channel just because I like watching their content, or whatever on TV. I don't expect that. And you know what? If I subscribe to your channel and I watch your channel and I like your content, I don't expect you to subscribe me back. You might still think my content sucks. I'm on YouTube for entertainment reasons for myself. And if you're providing me entertainment that I enjoy watching, by golly, I'll watch it. But I don't have time to chase down everybody who says, please support me, please visit my channel. You know what? I find it very annoying because most of these people that do that, they come over to your channel, they watch about 30 seconds of your video, leave a comment saying, I supported you, support me back, and they take off and leave. That screws up the analytics. It really does scare my ass that people do that. It's like, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't go to Lunatic Dads and goof around the way I do. Maybe I should just avoid these channels completely. I hate to say that, but maybe that's what I want to have to do. Because I don't do the support for support. I don't go around begging for hugs or any of that crap. So anyway, I hope all of you that's doing the sub for sub thing that subscribe to my channel after I've already given you all the fair warnings over there on those two channels. I'm constantly saying it over and over and over. I don't play that game. I hope you get the message now. Please unsubscribe me. It doesn't bother me if I drop down to 200 subscribers. I could care the least. I do this for my entertainment value. And my entertainment value isn't about seeing how many subscribers I can get. I could care less about the subscribers. I care about individuals, about people, but the subscriptions, I got so many. That reminds me. Hey, I got friends of mine did this whole Facebook thing. And they was telling me, I got 30,000 followers. Well, do they watch all your stuff? No, but I got 30,000 followers. And they go around running around bragging about how many followers they have, but they never pay attention to what they have to say. That's the same deal that's happening here on YouTube of the people that are begging for subscribers. Yeah, you're getting the subscribers, but they don't do you one damn bit of good. They really don't. Matter of fact, the ones that do come to your channel and drop that, I supported you, support me back, they're actually hurting your channel. They're screwing up your analytics. When that happens, if you put out a 3-minute video and somebody comes to your channel and watches 30 seconds of the video, and they say, I supported you, please support me back, and then they leave, that's telling YouTube, say, hey, you know what, this video is not worth putting it on out, because too many people coming to this video and only watching 30 seconds, that means nobody wants to see this video. So then they don't promote it. Yeah, that's Stir Fry shaking the camera there, folks. That's another pet peeve of mine, Stir Fry. But anyway, so this video here is not going to be, please subscribe me. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to do that on this video. When I ask people to like, share, and subscribe, I mean, if you enjoy my video, if you like my content, I would love you to. But those of you that are just coming here for the rant, those of you that had just subscribed me because they saw me in Lunatic Dad's or Green Bay Wacky's channel, and they think that I subscribed you back, most likely I didn't. And if I did subscribe to you, you probably ain't going to know it anyway. because I don't leave a lot of comments on other people's channels a whole lot. Doesn't mean that I ain't watching other people's channels and enjoying them, but it's none of anybody's business who I watch and why I watch. Hey, I might be watching porn. I'm not going to advertise that either, am I? Nope. Who knows what I watch? Bottom line is, that's my business, not your business. If I choose to reveal myself of watching you on your channel, it's going to be because I have a comment on the video that you made that I enjoyed, and I just want to say something, a congratulations or something. Other than that, if you're just coming over to my channel because I support you, you support me, I got one thing to say to you, right here. I find you to be number one, so get lost. I don't want you on my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.